technical view on the equity markets. The Nifty has closed flat today after witnessing a volatile trading session. It was in the positive in the morning trading session, and later on it traded with a negative bias. Again, in the afternoon session, in the late afternoon session, it pulled back smartly, and at the end of the day it closed flat, extremely flat. ICICI, Jindal Steel and BHEL were some of the losers in trade today, while TCS, Mahindra & Mahindra and State Bank of India provided some support to the market. The advance decline ratio was positive, with 777 advances to 693 declines. Now let us have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has been trading in an upward sloping channel. Now today, the daily momentum indicator has given a sell signal, and also the fall has been continuing on the downside. More importantly, it is sustaining below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which were acting as crucial supports for the Nifty. Considering all these factors, we have turned our short-term trend to negative or down from up, and we expect levels of 6480 on Nifty in the coming trading sessions, with a reversal placed at 6776, which was the high it touched 2 days in the prior to 2 days trading session. Now there is a possibility that we might again test the high of 6776, but as of now we have changed our trend to down. As per the Elliott wave principle, the rise which we have marked as completed 5 at the high of 6776 can extend one more leg on the upside if we consider this as only wave 4 of the last wave on the upside, which means that if we don't fall below the low of today, that is 6650, the low it touched today, and we continue to trade with a positive bias, then there is a possibility that we might retest the highs of 6776 on the downside. As of now, we have changed our trend to down with a stop loss placed at 6776. Now on the hourly charts, we can observe that it is sustaining below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and the fall has been in a channelized manner. The hourly momentum indicator also has a negative crossover. If the Nifty trades above these crucial averages, then and only then we can expect the market to retest its previous highs of 6776. Until then, our short-term trend remains negative. Now moving on to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has been trading in a downward sloping channel. It has started forming lower tops and lower bottoms, which indicates downtrend. However, it is trading above its 20 and 40 daily moving averages, which could provide its support in the coming trading sessions. Overall, the crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 12,394 and 12,000, and crucial resistances are placed at 12,700 and 12,755. That's all for the day. Thank you.